My plastic into fuel reactor is operational and running great. Let's take a look at some of the fuels this thing is creating. Diesel. This is gasoline I made from plastic.
Carbon made from plastic waste with a microwave. This right here is my Mark IV plastic into fuel reactor.
This device behind me is my microwave pyrolysis reactor. This machine behind me uses microwave heating to turn plastic into fuel.